2025 is not news that AI is already so advanced that it will be taking over the jobs of many, throwing them into the spiraling doom of confusion with no clear action path. But I know the main reason you clicked on this video is to find out, will AI be the next doom of entrepreneurs? The simple answer is no. But that is only if you pick the right niche. Let me explain. As an entrepreneur, you just have one job. You find a problem, you give a proper solution in exchange for money. But if you pick a niche where AI can do faster, better, and more efficiently, you will always be on the losing side. Now, I'm sure you're asking, well, Isaac, how do I find the perfect niche? That's where my three pillars of validation come into play, where I personally have used it for all my businesses in its planning stages. Firstly, it has to be a hyper niche solution, not an all angle solution. Take, for example, fixing bugs and code issues for startup companies or break even companies, averaging around $1 million in annual revenue. Secondly, it must be important enough for users to want to pay you for your services. Do you think producers of a software want to waste their time after creating a software, fixing issues and bugs in the software? No! They will much rather pay somebody a couple $100 who is skilled to fix bugs and code issues in their software while they focus on other things that can help them actually grow their business, such as client onboarding, marketing strategy, employment strategies. Thirdly, and most importantly, can it be made into a functioning business model and turned into a software that can simultaneously service thousands? Take again the code fixing agency. If it is made into a software with 500 users at launch being charged $200 at launch, the producers of this software would have bagged $100,000 in monthly recurring revenue. That translates to $1.2 million in yearly revenue. MVP version, by the way, meaning that when the company continues to grow, it can be scaled to $4, $5, $6 million in annual recurring revenue. And the best part about this is AI has made it easier for you to create these softwares. The barrier of entry has never been lower. The very AI that the whole world is rebelling against can help you make millions of dollars and achieve long life dreams. Whether it be that trip to Monaco, retiring your parents, buying that new home for your parents, whatever it is, I will leave you with this. The rebellion is not against AI bots and humans. It's against those who are using AI to achieve long life dreams and those who are just mere consumers. You just have to pick which side you are on. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the other side.